Here. You can't hang.
I've been waiting for you to open this shop. I've a complaint to make. You've done me wrong.
Sorry. How's that?
See that? My wife did it, and she threw me out. And it's all your fault.
My fault?
Yes. You told me this picture'd square everything. Well, it didn't, and she didn't like it at all.
Oh, bless my soul. Well, how did that happen?
I don't know. It's a calamity. That's what it is. A major disaster.
Morning, Professor Bibi.
Oh, good morning. Really, it's most unfortunate. I've been in business for 30 years, and such a thing has never happened before. Never. Sit down, please. Sit down. There must be something we can do.
Gaston, it's for Francois from the travel agency.
There.
It's a catastrophe, that's what it is. A cataclysm of nature.
Oh, monsieur, it can't be that bad. It can be fixed.
How can it be fixed?
See?
That's got it.
Now you give this to your wife and deny everything, eh?
It's a miracle, a dispensation of providence.
Thank you.